Alright, so today we're going to start here at the table saw. The first 2 of 5 skateboards are going to be laminations. One's going to be a straight lamination. The other's going to have a hump right in the middle. I am a bigger guy, about 230 pounds, and if I'm building a longboard for myself, there's a lot of distance between those wheels, so I want to have that hump there in the middle to help carry some of my weight. So now those other 2 laminations are cooking. I'm going to go ahead and work through with a solid 3/4 inch piece of plywood. This is a longboard that I got for free at a local skate shop. Here I'm just marking it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and get these completed while the others finish curing in their forms. Alright everybody, so we got our 3 boards complete. So we've got Dad's board, we've got Baby's board, and we've got Mama's board. We've got 3 different styles, so I've got 3 different colors. Daughter's getting the black gel stain, wife's getting the barn red, Dad's getting the dark walnut. Let me grab some paint brushes, let's get these bad boys stained up.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
Alright everybody from the homeland, so we've got the other 2 glued up skateboards or longboards cut out. This one here is the one that I gave the hump. That works really nice. This was actually the straight laminate over here. This turned out wonderful. The glue didn't really stick up here, so I had to do a little repair job. The other 3 skateboards are still drying there. I can't wait to get some grip tape and get these bad boys put together.
From love.
Ladies and gentlemen, there it stands. My first piece of welded something has been completed in my shop. Probably not the prettiest welds. They look somewhat okay after I got them cleaned up, but there you go. I'm pretty proud of it. This is gonna definitely help my little girl learn how to skateboard. Yay! And I'll take that constructive criticism down in the comments below. They sure do. All right, let's roll. Ladies, gents, what a fun build. Don't forget, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.